Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Wednesday, May 22nd, 2024, and we are looking to go up with the market right now. We're looking for about a 75 cents to a dollar run. H pattern, wide state, H pattern. H pattern, wide state, H pattern. H pattern, 555, wide state, H pattern. At this point, the price has traveled about 85 cents to 90 cents of the total $1 move that we're expecting. For a new student, I would advise to take profits at this point. A more experienced and seasoned student, I would say this looks like it's going to come off of strength, sell off a little bit, and then make its approach back up to this targeted area again so we can take the full dollar move.
Horizontal line on you trigger.
And there's a full $1 run, ladies and gentlemen. It's starting to slow down, so we might get a moving average bounce and then a potential reversal at this point. So this would be the end of the play for me.